Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically remove vocals from a song on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to select a video or an audio that has like both vocals and the like soundtrack on it, like the music. So sorry, like the instrumental part, that's what I meant. I'm just going to select extract audio, right click, and then select vocal isolation. Or if you see this, just select vocal isolation here and select remove vocal. Okay, that was loud. And select remove vocal, and this is what it's going to sound like without the vocal. Sorry, without like the singing part. I'm not going to play the rest because I can't, but that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!